Hey, I'm Joe. This is a quick setup guide to show a custom thank you page message in your Shopify store using Order Automator. In the Order Automator app, navigate to the thank you page here, and you'll see you can add a message, and this is what it's going to look like. So, any message here, as you type, it's going to show you the preview. So, I have a message here I like, and you could use links as well. That's markdown formation. Check the tooltip there to do that and save. Okay, I got the message. Now to add it to the page, I'm going to open online store and inside themes, customize, navigate to checkout and thank you and click apps and you'll see the thank you message feature right there. Add that and it's populating with that message I saved in the app. I'm just going to save that. That looks good. And now this message is going to show on every thank you page post-purchase. So when a customer makes a new order on your site, then they'll see this message. They can follow on Instagram, social media. You can share discounts, invite them to your loyalty program, or just send good vibes messaging. Anything you want to do. So hope that helps you out. And if you have any requests or want to customize it or have any feedback, just give us a shout. Have a great day.